Welcome back to my channel, guys. Look at these 36-inch crochet braids. If you want to see how I got this cute style, you just keep on watching. Okay, one order came with 6 bundles inside, and that's plenty enough for one full head. They came with these 3D lashes and also the jewels that you can put on your hair, and also the infamous crochet needle. Okay, so I'm about to do a model's hair, waiting on her to come now, and I'm just going to show you guys my setup. And my setup is I take all the hair out of the pack, that's there, and then that's her seat, that's mine, and then here is the stuff that I have that I'll be using: comb, brush, the crochet needle, all of that good stuff, edge control, and also thread just in case I need to sew it down. And then my light right here is my tripod stand. I just put my my phone on the tripod there, and then the model sits here and gets her hair done, and that's my background. So that's what you guys normally see when you see me doing one of my models' hair. And that's it. I'm waiting for her to come. We're doing these 36-inch crochet braids. I'm gonna see how they turn out. Prayerfully they're good. She's a younger girl, so it should be amazing. And yeah, just waiting for her to get here. All right, see you guys soon. Okay, this is my normal braid pattern. I connect 2 to 3 braids in the front and then just do the French braids going back, and then I connect them together, and then sometimes at the end I have to sew them down. So that's what the thread was for, just in case I need to sew them down at the ends. Okay, here I always start in the back and I go from the back to the front or the back to the top. I'm not sure, how you guys do it, but either way, it's fine. It's completely up to you. And I use the 2-finger method, like 2-finger spaces apart, and then I go back and fill them in if I need to. This one, I believe she had a whole pack left, so I think we used only like 5 of the 6 that we had, the bundles. So it's plenty of hair. You don't need to get any extra. This was plenty enough hair, and I didn't have to go back and fill any in either. So this is from the DUS store. These are new Faux Locs 36-inch crochet hair. They're pre-looped, as you can see. I just put that loop on there and then bring it through. So they are pre-looped, and it comes in a pack of 6, as you know. And these are natural, new, soft locks crochet hair. They call them the goddess braids, and they are super long, but they are in a color 1B. And let's see, the price is about these were a little bit expensive. They were almost $60 for one bundle with the pack of 6 in there. Okay, and this is all one side done, all the left side done. I'm sorry I didn't have a better angle, but I will at the end. I'll show you exactly how long they are and stuff like that. But this is the left side, all pre-done already, and all I have to do is the other 4 on the right. I just seem to always have it even, 4 and 4, but it's completely up to you, depending on you, your model, stuff like that. Okay, here is a much better angle, and it's showing the whole length, the full length of the 36-inch locks, and they are super duper long. But they look good on the younger girls. They look good on the younger girls. So she was able to wear this hair, and it looked amazing on her. Plus, she has an amazing hairline too. Check it out at the end. Okay, and I'm just showing you here how I do the last few braids. We did all the rest of them already, and I'm just putting the last few on here. You just put the crocheted hook in, you pull a hair through, and then you pull that hair through the other hair, if that makes sense. And you just pull it through like you're tying a knot or something. That's all. It's really, really easy. But if you guys seen my videos before, you know exactly how I do it. Or if you need to, you can slow the video down, or you can go to any of my other videos and you'll see exactly how I put them on. This is kind of sped up, so it's not necessarily in real time, but this takes no time. This entire style took probably maybe 2 hours and some change, maybe. And all I did was connected the braids in the front, braided them back in the back, and then connected the crochet hair. It's very, very easy. It's like, who would go through all the issues or the long sitting of doing doing these locks, and the crochet hair looks just as good. So here I'm just putting on the jewels that came with the hair, and you see that there it is, that hairline. She has a gorgeous hairline, like, oh my God, no, nothing falling out, no grays. Her hairline is amazing. And I kept not teasing her, but kept saying it to her. I'm like, girl, you got such a great hairline. I love your hairline. But anyway, it looked amazing on Chanel. She did a great job as my model. Once I finally got her to do this hair for me, not that it was her fault, but I just wasn't doing it on myself. And here it is all done. This hair looks so good on her. 36-inch Faux Locs from DUS Hair Company. That is a lot of hair, but she was wearing that hair. And I think she went to Vegas a little bit after this video was done. So her hair she got her hair done just in time, but I'm sure that stuff was hot. Maybe she was able to put it up and stuff like that. I'm not sure, but this is some beautiful hair. 36-inch DUS Hair Company.